welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to see my new episode? So today we're going to talk about plants. Plants have 6 major parts like flower, leaf, stem, roots, fruit, and seeds. And did you know that those little holes in the plant are called stomata? What's that? Yes, those are like the leaves cook the food for all the plants, the root stores the water, and the stem takes the water to the other parts, and the flower turns into a fruit for us to eat, and the seeds help make the plant grow again. And today we're also going to do an experiment. How does the water absorb to the other glass? So are you wondering how does the water absorb from the soil to above the plant and how it absorbs it? So today we're going to do an action called capillary action. For this experiment, we'll need 7 glasses of half full of water, and you can use paint or food coloring, and then you take some paper towels. So I have 7 glasses. First one has red, the second has nothing. The second one has yellow, but the other one is empty. 5th one has blue, but the 6th one is empty, and the 7th one has purple, but there's no glass here. Now I'm going to take the paper towels and dip them in each of them to make another color in the empty. So I am now going to put these paper towels in the glasses like this. Then I'm going to take another one and put it in this one. Then I'm going to take this one and dip it in this one. Now I'm going to take this one and dip it in this one. Now I'm going to take the last one. This one. Now I'm going to take this one and put it in this one. In this one, in this one. Now it will take a little bit some time. It will take 10 minutes. So while we wait, we can go enjoy, and then when we come back, you'll see what will happen to them. So can you see? The water is absorbing because it's going up. This is capillary action. Can you see? The yellow is going here and the red is going here. So we need to wait until it's done. Can you see the result? Oh, wait a second. This is the color of the rainbow. It's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. You see? Now you understand how water goes from the soil to the other parts. They mix the colors by going up to this side. So this is the end of my video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Bye-bye. See you in my next episode. What if we mix all colors and see what color is it? Red. Now orange. Now yellow. Next is green. Starting a bit murky. Next is blue, my favorite color. Ooh, murky. Next is indigo. Whoa, it's turning very murky now. Now it's violet turn. Ew, okay. Guys, it turned to black. All colors of the rainbow turns black. Well, it does turn black. Ew, it's murky. Ooh, can you see my hand? Ooh, wow. I'll put this thing now away from this place. Now this is what it will look like once you take them slowly by slowly. Oh, this is what it looks like in blue. This is the color we made earlier. This is now the other color. Whoa. This is our next. Oh, this one is colorful as some of my colors. Ooh, look at this one. And this one. What kind of. Look, guys. When you squeeze it, it makes juice. Guys, look at this. This is the end of my video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye-bye.